What's up guys, and welcome to Pixelab Masterclass tutorial where you will learn how to use gradient tools to design this Instagram logo in less than 10 minutes. Very simple, and would see you inside of Pixelab now.
Here in Pixelab, and we want to start by go to shape, pick the square shape, expand it, expand the shape, and before, let's go to our gallery and bring the very logo we want to design so that we'll be looking at it as we start our design. So here we are in our gallery. Pick the shape, the logo from the gallery, and bring it into Pixelab. Position it at the corner where you know it will not be interfering or cover your design. Just try to position it at the right place. Now we can delete that first square we have drawn. We'll now start afresh. Let's start afresh. Pick the square shape again and expand it. Expand the shape, expand it. Then we go to radius and increase it to 34%, 35% should be okay. As we increase it to 34, we come back, we go to color. Let's go to color now and enable color. Enable color, we pick the gradient color. You can see that I know you are very surprised how I was able to do this within a second. So let me teach you how. Okay,
What we are going to do now is to go to gradients. These are gradients that I've used before. This one you can see. Now I want a new gradient, so I will tap the plus button here. Over here you can see different kind of gradient, different type, but the one we are going to use now is this radial gradients. And normally gradient is a combination of two or more colors. So the two colors is black and white. This is the default color here. You can see the white one here, and we can see the black like this. So these are the default color. Now we want to add the third one, because to add the third color we tap the plus button here. You can see we now have three different places for different color. I can add another one to make it 4, add another one to make it 5, 10, up to how many you want. So I can adjust them, adjust, and then this 1, 2, I have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have space for 5 colors now. So to change those color, I will tap this first one here, grab this eye picker, come here and pick red color. This is number 1. You can see it's changing. I will pick the second one, tap there, and then let me pick yellow. This yellow. Okay, that is 2. This is number 3. I will do the same process. Let me pick blue now. You can see it. Number 4. We tap this, which I pick green. Take it here, green. Good. I tap the last one. Now I have 5 different color. Now let me change this one again to which, let me use this pale blue here. Okay, pale blue. You can see right now I have 5 different color. I can play with them the way I want. I can increase, I can reduce, I can change the direction, I can do whatever I want to do with this color now. Increase, decrease. I can decided to say, okay, I don't need the radial gradient, let me change it to another one. You can see it, you can change it to this type, you can change it to this, you can change it to this, and it will you achieve. So but the very one we are going to use now is this radial. So now we have 5 colors now. Let me so 5 colors that we have right here. You can see, so because I can still go on, add another one to make it 6, and go and change it the color to any one I want. I can decided that, okay, let this one be whichever one. I can pick any one and then can add even up to 10. So that is how gradient color work. So with this understanding, now we go back to our design. You can see the whole color appearing here, 6 colors now appearing here. Now with this understanding, we will now continue with our design. What we need is just 3 colors that you can see here on this very one. So it's only 3 colors we need. So how do we achieve the 3 colors? We still go back to color. We never this selected, we go to color. Now we come to gradient. Let me turn it to black and white. Then we tap plus button. We select the radial gradient. We now add another one to make it 3. Now that we have 2, 3, so we have 3 different space for different color. Now see this black one. You start with the black, you tap here, we bring us everything that we have in our layers will be shown here. So we'll tap this icon, then we'll type the orange. You can see it appear here. Good. Then here, can you see? So again, we tap this, we tap this, we tap this, we tap this reddish color. Good. Okay, can you see it? Third one, we tap here again, this one here at the tip here. Can you see the 3 color appear here right now? So I can decide to reduce, to increase, can reduce based on how much of each color I need. So I can increase this. So mapping this, let's leave it this way. Then I think something like this is okay, or you can use here to reduce, to increase. It can increase, can reduce using here or here. So something like this is okay now. So
you can see where we are now. We continue with our tutorial. Let me hide that layer there so that we can focus on this. We duplicate it. We duplicate this very shape. We position it, make sure you align it, let it be in the center, put it in the center, and go to stroke and enable stroke. Now we'll be using white stroke, increase it to 27. 27. The width should be 27, 28 or around. So having increased it, we make sure that it is in the center it. trying to position it accurately at the center. So we move on. All we are trying to see is to see that it's in the center. So having done that, and we are sure that it's in the center, we now pick the cycle tool. We go to color and we apply that same gradient color. But first of all, let's centerize it. Let it be in the center. Good. Now that we have positioned it, we go to color, apply that gradient color to it, the very gradient color. Good. So we can see how it is, and if we like, we can do something about it. So let's look at it and see how we can, do something about it. Okay, let's go back to our gradient and push that this color back small. That pink color, we push it back, we come back. I think it's okay like this. Something like this is okay. So we go now to color. Let's go to stroke. We enable stroke and increase it like that. Let's increase. Let's look at it, see how it's okay. Something like no. Yes. Yes. Let's see. Good. It's okay. Make sure you align it. It's well positioned at the center. Then you look at it. I think something like this is okay. Good. Okay, let me try again to make sure that it is in the center. Okay, we lock everything now. Padlock them so that it will not be moving anyhow. Let's unhide that layer so that we can compare and contrast with what we are doing. So let me hide it, bring it to front. Let's so that we can be looking at it and see what is next. So we pick the shape again, the cycle, and we reduce it. Let's reduce it. Come position it. Make sure you try to position it at the far right corner, top right hand. Let's position it there. Yes, position it, and good, it's done. We can look at what we have, what is we are able to achieve within a twinkle of an eye. If not that I am teaching, I could have do that in 3 to 5 minutes. I'm done with it. So let's pick our test tools now, and we edit it right. Instagram. Let me use small letter because of the font I want to apply. Instagram. We go to size, increase it a little bit. Let's see how. Yes, 88 is okay. Okay, let's it's too much. Okay, let's leave it like this for now. Let's make it bold and apply the front. This let's push whatever front. Let's apply it and position it very well. So we can now go to color and make it blue. Let's make it blue color there, the bluish color. Then we can change the background. Let's change the background of the design. Let's change it to white. Okay, so that we can have the same uniform design with what we have brought. So far so good. You can see what we have just done within a twinkle of an eye. Very simple, very simple. You can do this in 5 or 3 minutes. You are done. So what else do we do? Okay, let me that cycle in the middle. Let me increase the stroke size small. Let me increase the stroke size of the stroke should be increased a little bit, like it both. Yeah, something like this is okay. So we'll try to position it in the middle. Let it be at the center. That is all. Very done. You can save it now. Very simple. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I'm a video editor, graphic designer. Contact me and I will do all your work for you. Thank you. Thank you.